Good morning, everyone. This is Seth Bloom. I'm doing another video blog today from Bloom Legal here at 700 Camp Street. It is March 2nd, 2012, and we're just ending our very long and tiresome Mardi Gras season. And I know there's bigger events coming up in the next few months. We have the SEC basketball tournament as well as the Final Four the first weekend of April, and then before we know it, we'll be into Jazz Fest, and we'll be doing another one of these video blogs about partying in New Orleans and some of the ramifications of things that have happened, and some of the calls and questions I've been getting from clients around the country who have came and have already been to New Orleans for this recent Mardi Gras. So for all the underage drinkers from all the universities that have descended here during Mardi Gras that are now back home in their respected cities trying to go back to class and enjoy their spring semester. If you did get a minor in possession, an MIP, and you haven't done anything with it, you need to report to municipal court. You need to get a lawyer. You need to call municipal court and find out if a judge did put an attachment out on you. I'm getting calls all the time now. People are getting summons and they're ignoring them, and they're getting bench warrants. That's something you don't want. You can hire an attorney. It's very reasonable. We can go in there, plead you not guilty, get the warrant or attachment lifted immediately, and then hopefully get you a better result, either get the ticket dismissed or put you into a diversion program or have it reduced down to another sort of violation. But that's something you don't want on your record. You're working hard. You're in various cities around the country here, coming to New Orleans on spring break for the Mardi Gras. You don't want to go home with a permanent record. So give me a call at Bloom Legal if you have any questions about that. In addition to that, we've seen all sorts of different things that came out of Mardi Gras. There's over 1 million people that visit New Orleans during it, and we're glad to have y'all. But there are safety issues, and people do get injured, and people do get in trouble. We've had a lot of public drunkenness and lewd conducts, and as well as some fights with some batteries. So if you find yourself in any of those situations where you're needing an injury attorney or you're needing a criminal attorney because of some event that happened in the French Quarter or around the greater New Orleans area during Mardi Gras, give us a call. I give a free consultation. I'd be glad to talk to you and talk about your legal situation, or if you have one. Thanks again. My name is Seth Bloom, and again, nothing here should be meant to be taken as legal advice. If you have a specific problem, you need to talk to a specific attorney in your county or parish. And again, we're here located at 700 Camp Street in the heart of downtown New Orleans. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.